So as you arrive at the club, come upstairs to the auditorium where you'll be met by the friendly staff from Red Cross. Red Cross will help you to settle in, perhaps grab you a cup of tea or coffee, and just have a quick chat with you about what's happened.
So the recovery point that's here at Soldiers Club in Batemans Bay is here for anybody who's been impacted by the fires. So that's people who've maybe lost their homes or lost property, but it's also for small business that's struggling with drop in trade because there are no tourists. It's for people who are even finding it difficult to cope just with the situation that really would like to access some mental health support. So
there's up to 20 services available daily here, including most of the insurers, but also government and non-government agencies that are providing a range of services, and also funding and grants to help households, individuals and small businesses.
We've got there's insurance companies, there's the council, there's government support, there's the Salvation Army, we've got mental health support here, all sorts of different agencies that can help people.
We're here to help with things like maybe rates questions, water questions, maybe you've got questions regarding trees, and I can help with that. I can put in a customer service request to save you having to go down to the main council admin building. We're here for convenience. If you've got questions about trees, rates, water, garbage, maybe it's the process forward moving with development applications, pop in and see us.
We have a creche available that's supported by Save the Children. If you have children, there's a safe place for your children to play while you're speaking with the registration officers or speaking with any of the specialist services here.
Also what we're finding is that people come in and they're coming, sitting down, having a bit of a drink and talking to other people as well. So it's a very caring space. We're all trying to do our absolute best to help people navigate the system. We know that people have been through so much, and we're really trying to help people to make it easier for you to access the supports that you need.
We want to ensure that everybody in the Eurobodalla community knows that it is a safe place. You can spend as long or as little time as you like here at the Recovery Centre.